Okay. Someone asked me for some help on embedding a PowerPoint into an Oncourse website, so I wanted to make a. I feel it's easier to show it than to just try and write out directions. So here we go. First things first. This is the website. This is an example. This is our school's website. You have a rotating PowerPoint. It rotates about every 3 seconds. I can slow that down. I can speed that up. It will also keep rotating if I just leave it here. Let's go ahead and show you. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and disable this off of this website by clicking here and just erasing it. And boom, it's not there anymore. So let's go redo it so you can see how it's done. Alright, in a Google Drive, you can see I'm in my school's Google account right here. I can create a presentation. I've already made one right here. Terra High Announcements. Click right there. Alright, this is every slide that is currently in our announcements. It's a good idea to weed through them about once a week or so if you make them. You can make them pretty easily. You can just click on like slide, new slide, add your details just like you would in PowerPoint. Real easy to do. Alright, so once you've got your PowerPoint slide made and formatted and prettied up or however you want it, I recommend keeping it simple, by the way. Go to File, Publish to Web. You don't want link. Link will just offer one link that you click on, and then they click on it and it takes them to the website. If you want to make it a part of the website, if you want to embed it, you need to click on Embed right here. I'm going to show you what medium size looks like, and I'll show you how I change the size. I'm going to change the rotation to every 5 seconds, give them a little bit longer to read. I'm going to click here so that it starts the minute they load the website, and click here so that it restarts the minute it's ended, the very second that it's ended. That way if they're on the website for more, they can wait. If they miss a slide and they're not quite sure how to go directly back to that slide, which is something I can show you how to do, then if they just wait long enough, it will cycle back around again. Click here, and notice how you get a little buddy box up there that says press Control-C to copy. Those are the hotkeys for copy, always good. Control-C to copy all that embedding code. I'll close that now. Come over here. I'm going to edit this Oncourse homepage. I'm going to put it not at the very top, because at the very top is where I keep my my free Google Translate link. Just going to paste the code directly into it. Now watch this. I'm going to click Save and Close. At first it just comes out as this, right? Click here. The code's already been readapted. It just took the web page a few seconds to get it. Save and close again. And it's automatically done. And we're waiting for it to rotate, and it rotates automatically. By the way, if anyone wants to know, you can go directly to the slide you want by clicking on that slide. Like, say, the gaming club. We have our meetings, and it goes right on to the next one. The bowling team sign up. The school supply store. And then it rotates right back around again. But notice this is a bit large. Alright, notice I don't particularly much care how it goes past the main center part of the page. We can change that. Let's go here. Just going to maximize this a bit. We're going to just back that up a bit. Save and close. Got rid of that. Go back here. Remember how we went before? File, Publish, Embed, Start, Restart. But instead of 5 seconds. Instead of medium size, we're going to go with small size. Click, Control-C for copy. I'm going to close that. Click here. Edit. Click here again. Control-V for paste. Or also just the paste button will do the job. Save and close. It's a little messed up at first. Save and close. And now it's constantly rotating. Alright, nice and easy. Now, the next part I'm going to show you is a little bit more advanced, so if you don't feel comfortable with it, if you're happy with the way it looks right now, leave it, turn off this video, and don't worry about anything else. However, I personally want this PowerPoint to go all the way to the edge of the screen here. Obsessive compulsive disorder and all that. So I'm going to edit it again, maximize to give myself the most space. I'm going to edit the HTML directly. Maximize that so I can see what I'm looking at. Come over here. This bit of coding right here is the coding for that rotating PowerPoint. Now it says right now Nope, I was wrong. Sorry. It's up here towards the top. Which means I messed up with something earlier. I'm going to re-lower that deck down to 600. That was just a little mess up I'd made earlier. Go back up here. I'll find it. Promise you people at home watching this have already found it before me. I'm going to update that. Or, you know what? I'm just going to stretch this out a little bit. There we go. That looks a little bit better. I'm not too happy with that top part though. What can I say? Obsessive compulsive disorder. Scroll all the way to the top. And I should be able to see it right here. That's an announcement I put up today. An announcement I put up a couple of weeks ago. Google Docs. Here it is. 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 I'm going to raise this. Oops. I'm going to just increase the height a little bit. See if that looks more like what I want. It did not, so I'm going to go back and do it again. Again, this is if you're feeling a little bit more, ambitious as to what you're trying to do. Lower that down to 370 instead. There we go. Now I cut off that little black part at the very top, like that unused screen portion. It's still a little bit left. Sorry. If you understand what you're doing now, feel free to completely turn this video off. But I am obsessed with getting that exactly, well, not exactly right, but closer. Lower that down a little bit more. Update, save. Okay, I can live with that. But now that it's up there, notice what I can do. I can click on different things. It'll go back around again. I can pause the video. I can pause it. I can advance it. And that is how you get a rotating PowerPoint into your website. Hope this was helpful. And have yourself a good day.